Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Healow's app not working. So let's get started. So here we can see the Healow's app. So if it's not working for you, you have to follow these steps. The first step is to press and hold the app. Then you have to click on the I button. After that, you have to directly go to the last and click on this as your storage option. Then at here you have to clear the data. After that you have to open the app again. If it's worked, then nice. If it's not worked, then you have to check for the update. So you have to go to Google and directly search for the Healow app. At here you have to reinstall the latest version and you can use it. So the third solution is to reinstallation. So you have to click on here and click on the install button and click on OK. Then you will just reinstall the app and you can use it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.